Hey, if you also have this connection issue with your JBL Tune 510, so when you try to connect them, you are keep waiting and you've got at the end this communication that they cannot communicate with your phone. So I can recommend you to simply first power off your headphones by holding this power button. So it will take around a few seconds. And then you just have to go back from the Bluetooth settings on your phone and simply turn them off for a few moments. Now grab your headphones and locate one more time the power button and also this indicator. Now click and hold on this power button and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Now you can release this button, and on your phone you have to enable the Bluetooth, click on the pair new device and look for your JBL Tune 510, click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now in my case it works. So yeah, tell me if it works in your case and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.